In case the admin wants to set up a meeting with all the tutors and the other admins of the organization, they can do that by using the event type, which is internal meeting. So the admin would need to click on the new event button. Once they do that, they would be able to see the four event types on the top left corner. So from here, the admin can navigate to the internal meeting tab. Once they click on that, the details which would be required to be filled by the admin would appear below. So the admin would need to select the date on which they want to schedule this meeting. They would select the time slot. Then they would select all the attendees. So in this drop down, all the tutors and admins who are part of the organization would be shown. So the admin can select all the attendees. Once I've selected them, the admin would select the mode, if it's an online event or if it's at the office. So once all the details have been filled, the admin can add an agenda. It's not a mandatory field, but if they want, they can add an agenda for the meeting. Once all the details have been filled, the admin would click on schedule. Once they confirm, you can see that this particular event has been scheduled and it would appear on the homepage of calendar, and all the other attendees who have been a part of this particular event would be receiving an email notification about this internal meeting which is scheduled. So this is how the admin can create an internal meeting by using the new event tab.